If you're creating Amazon product listings in bulk, you can use our AI tool to help streamline the process. Whether you're uploading product data from your own catalog spreadsheet or using an Amazon product spreadsheet, this feature will automatically convert or enhance your item details into Amazon-ready draft listings that you can then review for accuracy, edit, and approve before they go live. Note that this feature only enhances new SKUs that you are trying to list and not SKUs that already exist in your Amazon catalog. To begin creating or enhancing listings using AI capabilities, hover over Catalog from the main menu in Seller Central. Click Add Products, then select the Spreadsheet tab. If you already have your own catalog file, upload it here, ensuring your product data includes essential information such as item names and SKUs. While these are the basic fields needed for the tool to work, the more product information provided, the better and more accurate the AI-powered content will be. You will also need to check that your file is in the proper file format and size. When you're ready to upload, select Upload or simply drag and drop the file. When using your own product catalog file, choose Non-Amazon File as the file type from the drop-down menu. Confirm your spreadsheet details, such as what row the header information is in, which column contains the product SKUs, and where the data begins. Then click Submit. If you would like to list using an Amazon template, you can download a product spreadsheet by clicking Download Blank Template, selecting Download Product Spreadsheet, and filling in your product details. After uploading your Amazon product spreadsheet, if your file is eligible for AI enhancement, you'll see an option to Try AI-generated content. You can opt in by turning on this toggle before submitting your file. The content generation process will vary depending on the size of the file. You can opt to receive email notifications about the upload status before submitting your products, or you can monitor progress through the Check Upload Status link. New products will show as saved as drafts, meaning the listings are ready for your review. Select Review and Submit to view and make changes from the online spreadsheet editor. Carefully review all content enhanced or generated by AI. Attributes that are missing required information will be flagged in red. You can use the Focus on Issues toggle to view and edit fields that require additional inputs, are missing, or have errors. You are also able to use the editor to group your variations by clicking Create Variation Family. If you'd like to save your changes and return to your listings later, click Save as Draft. You can revisit your drafts through the Check Upload Status link or from the Complete Your Drafts dashboard. Once you have ensured that your product details are complete and accurate, from the online spreadsheet editor, select Submit to publish your items in the Amazon store. All listings must be carefully reviewed and approved by you before they go live in the Amazon store. This ensures you maintain full control over what you submit. With the help of our AI tools, you can now create high-quality listings with less effort. For more help with listings, visit the List Your Products page in Seller Central.